Today we're making a tuna noodle casserole. This will remind you of your childhood. Let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Now grease your 13x9 oven dish with butter. Important to get all the corners because it will stick, it's pasta. Measure out 1 cup of whole milk, but feel free to use 2% milk in your home. I'm using frozen peas, but you could use frozen peas and carrots if you wanted to. Add those to the milk. 2 cans of mushroom soup, or you can use your homemade mushroom soup recipe. 4 cans of tuna. Now I get tuna in water and then I like to drain it. I find draining helps for a good consistency at the end. If we don't drain that off, it's going to be a wet mixture and it'll be a little bit more fishy. Add that to the milk and mushrooms and peas and give that a stir. Season with some salt and some pepper. Add 1 pound of cooked egg noodles. They've been cooked to the package directions. Give them a toss and then add them to that greased dish and just evenly spread it out. You're not looking to compact it. Now we're using panko breadcrumbs. This is regular breadcrumbs, which is small, but panko is like a grated sourdough loaf. Panko will get crispier. Add the butter to the panko breadcrumbs and give them a gentle tossing. Now shower that all over that pasta evenly so everyone gets some crunch. A little bit of dried parsley on the top for colour, and bake this for 25 to 30 minutes until it's brown. Your oven may need a little bit longer. We're looking for a golden crust. I think there's one thing left to do. Let's give it a try. Crunchy, creamy, and it's got that cozy comfort that we love when we have tuna noodle casserole. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple.